Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So excited today to try a new unit from Bobbi Boss, and this is a line of Bobbi Boss I've never tried before. So this is from the Truly Me line, and it's supposed to be effortless, and this is what I'm looking for now in wigs. I don't mind the all-out glam, but I really am looking for units I can put on and just enjoy. So a few deets before I show her. The Truly Me is easy everyday wear. She is ready to wear. Natural lace front, hand-tied lace part, effortless style. She is true style, true ease, and isn't that everything we're looking for? She is heat resistant, and that's good. Might have to put a little bit of heat on her. She has the baby hair and a nice little deep lace part. Okay, so without further ado, let me introduce you to Andrina. Now, I know that style and I are going to get along very, very well. I'm really hoping big things for this, but wait till you see this color. I have her in heather gray. And before I show this to you, remember a few years ago, maybe about 2 or 3 years ago, no, maybe about 3 or 4 years ago, when gray was such the big color, and even younger women were sporting gray units and looking fabulous. Okay, so I'm of an age where gray and we kind of know each other on a first name basis. And I can hide behind 1Bs in other shades all I want, but there's a time when I really want to get into gray because I think it's a beautiful fashion color. Never mind the fact that Mother Nature has now placed it on my head. But the fact that I find gray to be a beautiful fashion color. So it's been a while since I've had a gray unit, so I am really looking forward to getting this on and trying it. But guys, look at this color. Do you see this? Beautiful streaks of gray, but look at those lovely, come here. Those lovely little placements of blue. I love it when a unit excites me. So we're going to get this on and see how it goes. So let me try it on first and see if I can get the placement just where I want it before we tint and trim. Before we do that, because I'm getting kind of ahead of myself, I'm so excited. Got your combs, beautiful part, combs, adjustable straps. Love the squishiness on this one. Love it. Now let's get to business. That is so comfy, guys. So I am in love with her already. Look at this color. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so she fits so comfortably, and so I will have no problem adjusting her, getting her where I want her. Let me go ahead and take care of the lace, and I will get back to you. Guys, I am blown away. Now, I love a style like this, and some of my favorite wigs are these with the swooping edges and the layers and the curls. I'm just addicted to this kind of style on my face. And that color, I am just living for this color. So unique. Only angst I have with the style is that I would pluck this part a bit more. Really the only complaint I have. So I'm just gonna have to find a nice movie on Netflix and just sit there and pluck until I get it the way I want. It's the only thing I would do to this wig. Otherwise, the cap is very comfortable. It was effortless. I wore it glueless because I really wanted to take advantage of everything they were saying. And I am just loving it. And I love the name Truly Made because not only in terms of the style, but also the color. I mean, I really feel like this is what I would want my natural hair to look like. And I'm over 60. And this color is not too far and away, except for the blue streaks, not too far and away from where my natural color is. So I will wear this on behalf of all of us over 50 who can still slay. And I am absolutely loving this. So I'm gonna wear this. I got a couple of errands to run and maybe go get some wings. Yeah. I'm gonna find a way to take this out into the public because other people have to see this. This is really nice. Love it. And I will be looking for other things in the Truly Me line, and I would hope you'll do the same. I'm absolutely loving it. Guys, please let me know what you think. Thank you for all the kind comments thus far. I really appreciate it. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers in this newly minted YouTube channel. And I've got some wonderful new things coming from Outre, from I just got some new things coming, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So please subscribe, comment, thumbs me up. I really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, stay blessed.